Alright guys, sorry about that. Got the continuation here. I have to take the cover off, obviously. So here inside we got for the processor, I have the 4790K. I didn't overclock it yet, but I've messed with it actually, but I actually don't think there's a point. Anyway, video card is gonna get changed out soon. That is the R9 380 4 gig. I got two SSDs. Oh my god, you can't even see in here. I got two SSDs in there. Wow, I gotta fix this lighting here. Let's see that. No, the Samsung Evo 256 and another Adata 128. Nzxt Krakin X41 doing a pull. I couldn't get the top fan or the bottom fan to fit on the rad because it's too the 6-pin connector there on the motherboard was actually getting in the way. It's just weird. It didn't work out. Long story short, 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's it for now.